Left, we go!
Okay, before I take you through, my name is Jalia Lukwago, proud distributor of Alliance in Motion Global. Before this, I was a teacher for a long period of time. Having worked for some years, I realized I'll never achieve any of my dreams. I thank God for the day I saw Alliance in Motion Global because I was tired of working from hand to mouth. I was tired of working for salary that was never enough. Through this amazing opportunity, 6 years down the road, my life is totally different. Not only my life, but many people's lives have changed through that decision that I made. Now I'm going to take you through our newest product, Angel E. Hello? Angel E for that beauty that comes from within. You want to feel beautiful.